Oh, these are all the vegetables. I'm going to add them in there. I already have some food scraps, and this is some that has broken down, but I actually want to process that twice because it had 8 fizz in it. So let's put this stuff in here and get it turned on. I need to turn the light on because y'all can't see, but I'm going to put these over here because I'm going to use them for my lunch, and then get the rest of this stuff in here if it fits. If not, I'll do a round 2 because I don't think it's all going to fit. And then I may just take some back outside and let it compost in place, or just sit it outside in case it got bugs on it. I don't need no more bugs in here. Alright, that's it. We'll shut that up and let it run. Alright, the machine has turned off, and this is what we have. So now we have pretty much a bunch of compost, and I'm gonna take it and put it in my it smells peppery. I'm gonna take it and put it in my jar. Well, I think my jar is full. Well, not jar, my container is full, but I have a butter container that I'm using, so I'm gonna put it in that. Okay, I already have some in here, and I'm gonna take what I have and fill this the rest of the way up. Alright, and I got all of it out of there, and that's what we have. So that is it for my video of me composting my scraps from my garden cleanup. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.